So yes, in our last class we had a brief introduction about the UI UX and the usability. So today we will be seeing the business case for UX design. So before that, let us try to understand the user experience needs a business case. UX is an almost ambiguous term that we use to refer in most of the things that have to do with designing for a high quality of user experience. So this means we will use the term like UX field, UX work, UX partitioner, the UX team, the UX role, the UX design, or the UX design process. Here are several key points that we have to include while making a business case for a UX. Increased customer satisfaction, reduced cost, competitive advantage, increased conversation, improved user retention, brand perception, and compliance and risk mitigation. So when it comes to usability, it refers to how easy and efficient it is for the user to accomplish their goals within a system or a product. It focuses on a factors like learnability, efficiency, memorability, errors, satisfaction, user experience, usability, emotional design, aesthetic, accessibility, content, context, and engagement, and also uh, we will also the other factors. So here we will see what is the learnability. So when it comes to the learnability, how easy it is for the users to learn how to use the product. Efficiency, once user have learned about the product, how quickly they can perform the task. Memorability means if user return to the product after some time, how easily they can remember how to use it. Then when it comes to error, how many errors do users make, how severe are those errors, and how easily they can recover from them. And when it comes to satisfaction, how pleasant it is to use the product. User experience, that is UX, encompasses a broader range of factors beyond just usability. It includes the overall emotional, psychological, and subjective aspects of the user interaction with the product. This includes the usability, emotional design, accessibility, context, content, and engagement. So, emotional design is nothing but how does the product make users feel? Does it evoke positive emotions like joy, trust, and satisfaction? Aesthetic means the visual appeal of the product, including the design elements, color, sorry. So it is the visual appearance of the product, including design elements, colors, and overall other things. Accessibility is ensuring that the product is usable by the people of all abilities, including those with disabilities. Content, the quality of relevance of the content within the product, including the text, images, and multimedia. And when it comes to the context, how well does the product fit in the user context, including the environment, goals, and task. And engagement is how engaging and immersive is the user experience. Does it capitative and retain the user interest? So when it comes to user experience, it was all about how we discussed in the first slide. So user experience is most important, where the interaction of a design should have all sort of aspects, that is the usage of context, the branding, the marketing, the social content, the politics. Basically it should have an interaction and it should gain all the user attention. When a user sees something, it should be more appealing. So whatever the behavior or emotional levels that we discussed, it should be very attractive. It should have that feelings, that what we are trying to tell, that the user should understand, and what is the effectiveness, and what is the product meaning, what experience it is showing through, and what is the impact of it, what is the product function. So everything will matter when it comes to the user experience.